is for Spider Chance.
Spider Chance.
Look it.
SpongeBob.
Look what it says. You're 5. Happy face. Do you remember if you would get a little bit grumpy, Aunt Sherry would erase your face and draw you a happy face? Do you remember that? And then happy face, candle blowing face. I promise to start eating my vegetables face. Birthday presents face. Soak in the silliness and have a happy birthday. We love you, Aunt Sherry, Julia, and Josh.
Isn't that nice?
Okay, next card. Julia, there's more cards in there,
Oh,
honey.
there's one more card.
No, there's 2 more cards.
Okay, there's 2 more cards. Here's the next card. Have you gotten it yet? This one I want to see if maybe you can read.
I can't read it.
Super amazing 5-year-old. When a boy is as cool as you, his birthday should be awesome too. Happy 5th birthday. Have fun. Love, your cousin Jacob. Hope you have an awesome birthday, buddy.
Jacob? Where did Jacob live?
Where do they live?
Colorado, remember?
Okay, there's one more. I'm trying to get it open. Aunt Sandy must have licked it good.
Licked it and taped it, huh?
You got yours yet?
This is it.
You're okay. You're fine.
Here. Oh.
That's more SpongeBob. Another SpongeBob.
Doing the birthday boogie. Chance, it's your day. Let's bust a groove. Woohoo! Let's hope it's songy. Happy birthday, Chance. We love and miss you lots. Love, Aunt Sandy and Uncle Eddie. My butt's right
Okay, what you got in there?
What you got?
Here's another card.
Do you know what this
No, it's the
is?
same one. You want to see it?
It's, hang on, look at the card. It's cars. You get to go online and you get to be in a storybook with cars. You get to make your own book. And you get to be in it with cars. You get to be in a book with Lightning McQueen and Mater.
And one of the people in there.
Okay.
What else you got?
What else you
What
got?
else is in here? Oh my goodness. Look
Spider-Man.
at that.
They're Spider-Man
Cool.
pajamas.
Look at that.
Spider. Do you know?
Spider-Man Bandit.
Better a male.
Well, that's good. He goes through those like crazy.
Looking for me anyway. Yeah.
Oh no, talking birds.
Go. Watch. Hear it?
Oh, I love those.
It's Angry Bird. That's an Angry Bird.
Isn't the blue one your favorite?
Or Angry Birds.
I think my mom likes Angry Bird.
I know, but she just wanted to see it a minute.
More. Those
babe?
are more Spider-Man
I think
band-aids.
my mom likes Angry Bird.
They look like, you know what, Chance? They say those Band-Aids look like Spider-Man tattoos.
Oh, cool.
I make you a
More Spider-Man.
More Spider-Man. You're having a Spider-Man day, aren't you? That's cool.
Do you like that one?
I make
Thumbs up?
Spider-Man.
Thumbs up.